But first, cycling is very popular. So popular in fact that police estimates show more than 70 bicycles are stolen in London every day. And it's as easy as this. Many experts believe it's not just careless owners but substandard locks that make it all too easy for bike thieves to get away with it. You need a hardened hardcore super lock, like this one. A quality D-lock starts out as a long bar of preformed steel. The first part of the process is to give it its characteristic D shape. These preformed bars are fed into an enormous press. Using a massive 30 tons of pressure, it effortlessly folds the steel in half. Now you may think steel is a tough enough metal to do the job. However, extensive research by the boffins in the white coats has shown that it's actually very easy to break with the right tools. One of the real secrets to the modern D-lock's strength is a process known as hardening. The bent bars are superheated to a massive 1000 degrees Celsius. Then, before they have a chance to lose any heat, they are quickly plunged into a bath of oil. The combination of superheating them followed by rapid cooling hardens the surface but leaves the internal metal supple. This bar is unhardened or soft steel. It doesn't even last 1 second against strong bolt cutters. Now the hardened steel, and as you're about to see, it's our lock testing strongman who will bend first. To prove how tough hardened steel is to break, the lock is placed in an automated bolt cutter which can measure the force it's exerting. It still takes this powerful vise some time to do the job, and a staggering 13 tons of pressure to actually break through the bar. It's pretty safe to say there aren't many bike thieves that can exert 13 tons of pressure by themselves. For the lock to work, an invisible laser is used to precisely align each D-shaped bar. Then, to protect your bike from any damage caused by super tough steel, they are wrapped in a protective rubber layer. Now it's time to make the lock, which starts with the keys. 2 blanks are selected and they're fitted into the cutter. The keys are then cut according to the number assigned to them by the computer. This number is printed onto a card, which then tells the lockmaker how to build the right lock. Along with the keys, each lock is assigned a code card that will tell the factory how to cut replacements if the keys are ever lost. Once completed, she will test the barrel works with the 2 pre-cut keys. The next team on the assembly line can now put together the entire D-lock using all of the different parts. Some of these bits are put together using mechanical pressure to ensure that a strong person couldn't simply pull them apart. There are also a lot of tricky little secrets to these locks which need to remain secret for security. Before the locks are sent to the stores, they're tested to destruction under strict laboratory conditions. Each new prototype of lock is tested rigorously to help work out whether it will stand up to the onslaught of a determined thief. The lock experts will use every method they have ever come across, from extremely powerful hammers and weights to plain old brute force, to try and break their latest design, hopefully with no success. While criminals are continually trying to break the locks, D-locks like these improve the owner's chance of thwarting the thieves.